Hi everyone! Today we're going to do the perimeter of squares. I'm going to show you very quickly a very easy way to do the perimeter of squares. This will save you lots of time, all right? So one thing we all know that the sides of a square are all the same. They're exactly the same. If this is 11, this is 11. If this is 11, this is 11. So you don't really need to even mark your sides when it comes to a square. All you have to know that each side is 11. And how many sides does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. They all have 4 equal sides. And so all you have to do is do 11, 11, 11, 11, which you know. So you just do 11 times 4 equals 44. And so your answer here is 44. Is it feet? Is it yards? Is it inches? As you can see here, this is yards. So it's 44 yards. So let's do something simple again. We're looking at question number 3. Okay. So you have 4 inches here. 4, 4, 4. 4 times. So you know, all you have to do is you do 4 times 4, which gives me 16. So my final answer here is 16 inches. Okay, because the unit here is inches. All right, we're going to do one more, and then you're going to have time to do one for yourself. So let's do another one. We have here, we know one side is 6 feet. And that means all the 4 sides will be 6 feet. So all you have to do is 6 times 4, which gives me a 24. And your final answer is 24 feet. How easy is that? Now I'm giving you time to do one by yourself. Find the perimeter of this square. Each side is 5 yards. How would you do it? Your 10 seconds start now. All right, so all you have to do is 5 times 4, which gives me a 20. So my final answer is 20 yards. Okay, and we'll do one last one just to clarify your understanding. I know I have a square of 18 inches and I have to find the total of all the 4 sides, which are the same size. So all I have to do is 18 times 4 and I get 72. And so this is 72 inches because the unit is showing inches. I hope this was nice and clear for you. Please do feel free to ask me any questions. Take care. Bye-bye.